Hi guys! Welcome to this video tutorial. And today, pag-uusapan natin kung paano i-integrate or i-add ang inyong Lazada or Shopee store gamit ang Payrecon system. In this way, kahit meron kayong multiple stores sa Lazada man yan, or sa Shopee, or kahit saan mang platform, sa tulong ng Payrecon system, magkakaroon tayo ng isang unified system or dashboard to manage all the products sa lahat ng store. Okay, ang steps na ito ay napakadali lang sundin. First, you need to search v2.payrecon.co. Okay, yan, i-search natin. Okay, and input your login credential or information. Yan, nakikita nyo sa screen. Then password. Then, click login. Once naka-login na kayo, makikita sa inyong screen ang dashboard ng Payrecon. In order to integrate your store, Shopee man yan or Lazada, just go to settings na makikita ninyo sa lower left side of your screen. Okay, and click user setting, and just click, yan, ayan, okay guys, and just click add store icon. At piliin ang inyong store na gustong i-integrate or i-add into your Payrecon account. For example, once you click Lazada, just to make sure you choose Payrecon include multi-chats and click connect now. This portion will require you na bigyan ng authorization si Payrecon to access your respective platforms. Okay? Don't forget to choose Philippines. Yan. And kindly input your login credentials or information and click submit. And may lalabas na store added na makikita ninyo sa upper side of your screen. Yan. Ayun, store added yung color green. Now, under API user list, pwede mong makita ang newly added or integrated Lazada store. Yan. That's it for this video regarding sa store integration. Thank you for watching and see you next time.